Hi, Trappers. My name is Marneé Crawford. I'm the Director of Nursing from Northwest College. We're so excited for you to join us, and we cannot wait for you to come onto our campus and physically learn with us. There are some things that we would like for you to know before you get here in order to keep all of us healthy and safe and have a successful semester. First of all, we're expecting hand washing. We're expecting you to have social distancing as much as possible. That means keeping 6 feet apart. There are some gel towers or some hand sanitizer located in all of the buildings as you enter, and there's some signage there to show you where it is. We expect you to use that hand sanitizer. There'll be some times when you're also helping us clean as well, especially if you are sharing equipment. The other piece that you need to know is that we are expecting you to wear a cloth face covering in all areas of our campus. I'll show you how to put it on properly. Over the nose, behind the ears, nose, and underneath your chin. It should cover your nose completely and underneath your eyes. We're expecting you to wear this in all buildings, in all locations, at all times on our campus. The only time that you can have your mask off is if you are completely alone. If you are outdoors, you can have your mask off as long as you are at least 6 feet apart from the next person. So remember, to prevent COVID-19 spread, we're asking you to wash your hands, to stay socially distant, meaning 6 feet apart, wear your cloth mask or your cloth face covering over your face, over your nose and mouth, and covering your chin. And then we're asking you to use some hand sanitizer as you enter the buildings and help us keep everything clean. The other important piece that you'll need to know is that there's a health screening process as you come. So every single day on the portal, you'll enter into the Northwest College portal, and it will have a form there for your health screening. The very top of it talks about those preventions techniques that we just mentioned just now, so you won't be surprised. But the questions begin to ask you things like, are you planning to learn from a distance? Are you planning to come physically present to the campus? The second question, it will ask you if you're having any COVID-19 symptoms. And you don't have to memorize those, they're all listed for you to choose. The third question is if you have been in unprotected contact with someone who is COVID positive. That means that you haven't been wearing your face mask and you have been within 6 feet of an individual who is now COVID positive. And as you answer each of those questions, it will guide you about what to do next. In some cases, it will say you're fine to continue to come to campus and learn with us physically. And in some cases, it will say, no, you need to call the Powell Valley Hospital to get further directions. Once you call the hospital hotline, they may tell you to self-quarantine. And if that's the case, then there's a second form that you need to follow. It again is located on the Northwest College portal. And you will be entering into that form, and it's very simple again. You'll enter online the date, what the hospital staff told you, or maybe you received a letter from the public health department. You'll need to state what that was, and then you submit that online. Within 24 hours, someone from Northwest College will connect with you and ask you questions. Again, they'll be verifying the information that you turned in, but they'll also be asking you other questions like, do you have any face-to-face classes? Do you live in the residence hall? Do you participate in any activities or clubs? Are you part of an athletic team or an athletic practice? Once you answer those questions, then that connection staff will forward your information on to the next department, who will contact you directly. They will tell you step by step what you need to go do and where you need to go, should you need to relocate for isolation purposes, to keep everyone healthy and safe all semester long. Be sure and follow those directions, and you can find that form on the Northwest College portal. It will also tell you that there will be a staff member who asks you, what are your immediate needs? So you may have something very specific that you would like to share with them, and we encourage you to do that. Again, you'll follow the form's directions, and then once you're complete with that form, they will tell you also how to return to campus. So should you be isolated or quarantined, it will tell you exactly what you need to do, not only in the form, but also our staff will be working with you as well, step by step. So we're here for you every step of the way. We look forward to you joining us, and we can't wait for you to physically come and enjoy a fall semester at Northwest College as a Trapper. See you soon.